Hi, my name is Johan Sebukire. I'm 22 years old and I follow the program of Gusoma. So first question, what were the problems you faced to learn Kinyarwanda before joining the Kinyarwanda Proficiency program? So basically the Kinyarwanda courses here in Belgium are most of the times private courses or way too expensive or with groups that are too big and where there's not really a structure. So when I was tired of these other courses where I did not really learn anything, I took the initiative of learning Kinyarwanda by myself. But when I did that, I always started with a lot of motivation. But because I was learning it alone, I lost that motivation and this discipline to continue. So second question, what made you choose our program? So I chose for Gusoma because I always wanted to learn Kinyarwanda since I'm half Rwandan. And because the courses are online, I immediately knew this was a good idea. I could follow the courses at home, so this saves me a lot of time that I would otherwise lose on taking the public transport to these courses. So comparing with private courses, Gusoma is also a lot cheaper, which is really advantageous. The courses are also every week, so that kind of gives a regularity to the courses. Specifically, what was the best thing about our program? The courses are online, so this gives the possibility to follow them everywhere as long as you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. The courses are also 3 times a week and always after the working hours. What I appreciated a lot is that the team is really flexible, and if you would miss a course, there was always a possibility to catch up. What I also really liked is that the courses were always in small groups of 2, 3, or maximum 4 people, which is more pleasant because you're less scared for asking questions. And thanks to the exercises and tests we received every week, we never lost track of our progress and what we learned. So what are the 3 main results you achieved during the program? Thanks to Gusoma, I understand how Kinyarwanda works grammatically, which I could not understand at all before because Kinyarwanda it's really a difficult language. Thanks to Gusoma, I also now dare to speak Kinyarwanda, and when people talk to me, I understand them more or less. I now also understand what my family sends in the group's chat on WhatsApp, so I'm glad to have learned Kinyarwanda with Gusoma. And what will I say to other users who are looking to join the program? I would tell them, to the people who are interested in Gusoma, I really recommend to follow these courses. In the beginning, it might be frustrating, and you could have the intention that you're not really progressing, but the team really thought about every lesson, so trust the process and have faith in the team.